Do you want to start an online coffee mug business, but you're not sure because you don't know the best way to pack a coffee mug? If so, in this video, my son is going to show you the best way how he pack a mug order. I was able to teach my son this packing method in just a few weeks. But before we get started, if you're new here, my name is Lala, and Derek and I created this channel, DIY Mug Biz, to help others build their own highly profitable online coffee mug businesses from scratch. And if you're looking to start your own online coffee mug business, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'll show you how you can get my ultimate DIY mug biz program for beginners if you're looking to start your own online coffee mug business. In this program, I'll teach you how to start your own online coffee mug business from A to Z. Now, let's get to the video. Clarence will be showing you the best way how to pack a coffee mug while in shipping so that it does not break. What he has here is the priority mailbox that he's going to be using, fragile stickers, the mug, scissors and tape, along with packing peanut, and lastly, bubble wrap. And it's about 2 feet of bubble wrap that he's using. He's gonna go ahead and tape up the priority mailbox. These priority mailbox are free. You can get it at the post office or on the website. He's gonna grab his packing peanut and he's just gonna fill up the box about halfway with the packing peanut. Next, he's gonna grab his bubble wrap and he's gonna grab his mug and he's gonna place the mug in the middle of the bubble wrap facing the mug handle on the inside, and he's just gonna go ahead and roll it. Once it reaches the end of the bubble wrap, he's gonna grab a piece of tape and he's just gonna tape the bubble wrap together so that it does not open. Now he's gonna grab his box and he's gonna grab the mug and just fold the bubble wrap in, and then facing the mug handle inside the box towards the packing peanut, pushing the mug inside the box. So these packing peanut can protect the mug. So it's just another protection along with the bubble wrap. Now he's just gonna fill up the rest of the box up with packing peanut. And these packing peanut are gonna fill in the gap of the box. After he does that, he's gonna go ahead and grab a piece of tape and he's gonna just tape it on one side of the flap so that once he closed all 4 flap, the tape is already there, so he's not struggling to grab the tape, making it a lot easier to tape the box. After he closed up the box with the tape, he's gonna go ahead and grab a fragile sticker and just place it on the box. And this fragile stickers allow your customers to know that you do care about this package, wanting it to arrive to them safely. Once you pack the mug and the package, it does not make any noise. You can't hear the rattling of the mug in there because the packing peanut is holding it in place. So packing a mug order is super easy, and that's how you do it. But before I let you go, as promised, I'm going to show you where you can get my ultimate DIY mug programs for beginners. The link for the ultimate DIY mug biz program for beginners is in the description. You may also find that link in the comment below. Once you click on that link, it'll take you to this page. Once you're on this page, you can either hit the I want the program now, Or you can scroll down and get some more information before you commit. The Ultimate DIY Mug Biz program for beginners simplifies the process of starting a mug business and shows you how you can easily make and sell mugs yourself so you can keep the profit. So why start a mug business? Well, the massive rise in dropshipping and order fulfillment has brought many coffee mug sellers to the marketplace. However, these business models suffer from low profitability, long lead times, low quality control, and low supply risks, leaving opportunity for DIY for sellers like us. Some of the benefits of starting your own mug business and doing it yourself: the gift mugs are in high demand, low competition amongst DIY sellers, low startup investment, high profit margins, and of course, who doesn't want to work from home? Derek and I have been selling coffee mugs online for over 7 years now, and we've learned a thing or two. So let us teach you. We want to be able to share that information with you so that you don't have to go through the learning curve like we did. If you continue to scroll down, you'll be able to know how many modules there is and what the module consists of. There are 5 modules and 29 lessons. And if you continue to keep scrolling down, you'll be able to know exactly what's in the lesson of each module. So if you're ready to invest in yourself, to start your own online coffee mug business, this is the right program for you. Go ahead and click the enroll button. Once you click on that enroll now button, it'll take you to sign up page. Go ahead and enter your information. Once you enter that information, click the buy now button. Once you click that buy now button, you'll receive an email confirmation saying that you are now enrolled. We hope to see you in the program. If you like this video and if it was helpful, please hit the like button. And again, if you're wanting to start your own online coffee mug business, consider subscribing to our channel because mugs are all that we do. And I'll see you in the next video.